Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, we are discussing about the different phyla from the animal kingdom, because animal kingdom has been categorized into the 10 different categories or the phyla, which is the Porifera, Protista, Monera, Scalmanthus. And today we will discuss about the phylum Echinodermata. You know guys, echines it means spines and derms it means covering. It means the organism which have outer body covered with spines comes under the phylum what? Echinodermata. So the nomenclature of this phyla was done by Jacob Klein, and echinoderms are mainly spiny skinned animals. Okay. So guys, let's look over the characteristics features of this phyla. The first one is they are exclusively marine. Marine it means they lives inside the sea or lives inside the salty waters. Okay, the second character is its body has a rough outer covering of spines or projections, and hence the name of the phyla is given as echinoderms. Okay, we already have discussed this. The animal star shaped, spherical and elongated. The body of the animal is star shaped. Okay, body is triploblastic. It means it has ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Coelomate present. It means the animal is coelomate and without segmentation. Their body parts is not segmented and or fragmented, just like the arthropoda and annelidas. Symmetrical is radial in adults but bilateral in larval form. Okay, there is no head or tail, no left or right sides. The digestive system is simple and complete. The mouth is one on the lower surface and the anus is on the upper surface. Circulatory system is greatly reduced. There is no heart. Blood cavity is modified into the vascular system. Tube-like extensions. Excretory organs are absent and the nervous system is in the primitive condition. It's not well developed, but it's in the primitive condition. It consists of nerve rings and radial nerves cords. Brain is absent. Okay guys, let's have a look over the example from some example from this phyla, that is sea cucumber, Celia या फिर starfish. Okay, so Asteris it means starfish, Echinus it means sea eucharia, Holothuria it means sea cucumber, and Antedon it means feathered star. So guys, these are the some examples from this phyla. Let's have a quick review over the characteristics feature of the organism present in the phylum Echinodermata. All the animals of this group are marine. Water vascular system is present. There is a tube fit for the locomotion which takes the food, which works as a sensory organ also. Brain is not developed, heart is not present. The body is coelomate and it's triploblastic without segmentation, radially or bilateral symmetrical. So guys, this is all about the today's topic. Hope you all have understand the topic. If you like this video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Guys, keep watching for the more knowledge of the different phyla. Thank you so much.